Okay, can I have my bed back now?
It's over there. It's on the ground.
Now you gotta be fucked up if you think I only have 17 potatoes.
I'll drop you your potato. These 2 blocks. If you're coming, I'm swinging. Like there's no compromise.
This guy.
There. Those are your potatoes.
Alright. Thanks, Danny. Thank you, Danny. No, I'm not gonna go up. He's gonna start swinging. I'm not gonna go up. Here.
I'm
Wait.
instantly swinging. Oh no.
It's gonna be bro fist. What if I did... Danny, what if I did that?
No.
If I did that?
If you build on my property one more time, swing. Oh fuck! Can't keep doing that shit, Conger. I'm not hesitating anymore. I'm not hesitating anymore.
Start swinging.
Hey, what is this? What do you... Why? You're not gonna live under here.
Okay, first of all, you have to do... Okay. I'm gonna teach you how to bro hop. Okay, so you're gonna do this. Okay, where'd that dandelion, the knife go? That shit. Okay, I got it. I had to bro hop to get it. Alright, so you're gonna pull out your knife, right? Okay, follow me.
Why? Why are you going this way? Your stuff is over there. Your stuff is
right.
Your stuff is that way.
You're gonna sit right here.
Nah.
Wait, hang on. Gotta get a distraction.
Hey, that.
Okay.
You want to build here? You want to build?
Where did that piece go? Okay, you're gonna jump over here. Right, he's gonna knock you
Oh my
off
God,
into
I'm-
the water. Good job. Alright, that's part 1 of bro hop. And you're killing me now.
Override the sunset. Have you been just collecting beds from me? Are you serious?
Can't even
Dude,
get
look
out.
I'm gonna drown you while you sleep.
Rex, come here. I just invented something insane. I think you're
Please.
gonna like it. I think you're gonna like it. Bunk bed.
Wait, what?
Wait,
How?
hang on. Wait.
How is this possible?
I have to do the I have to delete the Ratatouille house. Alright, let's go.
How is this possible? Nice house. Hey. Okay, chill. I'm getting low. Oh. No, stop. I don't have a bed, bro. I'm at 9 XP. 9 XP. 9 XP. I'm at 9 XP.
9 XP.
2 hearts. I'm fucking that dude. Oh. I'm at 2 hearts. Come on. Dude, oh my, dude, my house is probably gone. So I'm at 1 hour.
Okay, let's go. Okay, bro jump. Alright, I'll be Danny. No, these are the 2 blocks you have to get out of here. Get out. It's my 2 blocks right here. Can't pass this. Hey! I'm gonna swing! No, he doesn't have any materials.
That's my bed.
No, you're not allowed to take it. It's in my room. No. Are you kidding me? You destroyed. You took my bed, Danny.
You took mine.
You took mine.
Now you understand my pain.
Die.
Oh,
That's what I think of you.
Ford, look at me.
Shoot him.
Judge me over.
Shoot him.
He doesn't know how to bro hop. He doesn't know how to
Shoot
bro
him.
hop.
Ford, how do you
You
bro
have a-
hop?
yeah.
Tell me.
Do you have a bow?
I
Shoot
would,
him.
but I'm in survival mode. I can't do any
Ford,
bro hop.
Ford, go bro hop. Minus window.
He's in my chest. Kill him. What do you take? Put it back.
Smirnoff?
Yeah.
No.
An adventure.
No! Get him.
Oh my god, piss off.
Uh-oh, Conger's mad because people got mad at him because he was trolling. Oh no.
God.
Oh.
Slugger in prison.
Oh my god, no.
We're putting Slugger in prison.
No.
Can I?
Conger? Please, why?
Ford, why'd you do that?
Yeah, that's it. I'm using my sword.
You're using your what now?
That's it.
You're using your what now?
Can you not?
Oh my god.
Hey, my mic is good, bro.
Not gamer.
Where is
Hey,
my
please,
dog?
please
My
don't hit me.
dog
No,
never
dude, I'm
follows me.
Snapchatting. No, it's not working.
Soldier here. Here's
I'm in
the-
jungle.
Why?
Can I join now?
Tell me when it's daytime.
Can I join now? Hey man, can I join
No,
now?
it's not daytime.
Can I join now?
Ford, leave. Ford,
You gotta
Can I
leave
join
that.
now? Can I join now? Can I join now? Can I
Getting
join
my-
now?
Can I join now? Can I join now? Can I join now?
Your bow.
Your bow's
No, I'm
Yeah.
using some tools. Rex, you told them. I'm killing you.
Every time.
It's just literally Grant. He said trust.
I'm at 1 health.
No.
And my horse despawned.
No.
Smart.
No.
I can't sprint, dude. I'm going to
Oh, stop.
I'm sorry.
There's a deadly laser.
Why can't you just kill him?
No.
Oh, he's aggro. He's aggro. We can't tame him, dude. I'm not even joking. We can't tame him.
With the new revolution technology,
He's aggro.
known
Kill
as
him.
photos.
Give me buns.
Dude, we can't tame him.
So
you can use sunlight.
You're retarded, dude.
Kill the dog. Kill the dog.
I killed him.